Today we're assembling our key bed base. This is a very minimal bed but follows our very simple Nevada style assembly method. First, we slot the dowels into the side rails. Give them a little tap with a mallet if needed. Second, we screw the threaded bolts into the head and foot end panels of the bed. These make up the plank legs on this model. Next, it's just a case of lining the end panels and side rails up and slotting them together. The threaded bolts slot into the holes on the side rails and the dowels slot into the holes on the end panels. Then we attach the fittings. Thread the half moon washers onto the threaded bolts, followed by the nuts, and tighten with the spanner provided. Do this at all four corners. Be careful not to over tighten. Next, bring in the centre rail and slot it into the pre-existing fittings at the head and foot end of the frame. For the last step, we attach the end caps onto the slats. There's quite a lot of slats, so we'll speed this part up for you. To finish, we simply slot the slats into place down the whole length of the frame, lining them up with the pre-drilled holes on the centre rail and side rails. Step back and admire your handiwork. You just assembled a bed from Natural Bed Company.